Today I have a penny stock for you with 10x potential. A penny stock that nobody is talking about yet, but a stock that everybody will be seeing soon. This is a stock led by a CEO who has previously turned penny stocks into billion-dollar companies. So in this video, I will be talking about 3D Capital, ticker symbol IDKFF. If you're serious about penny stocks in 2024, then this needs to be on your watch list. After being alerted to this stock by a subscriber 2 weeks ago, I mentioned 3D Capital in one of my recent penny stocks videos. I actually reached out to them for sponsorship after the first video did so well, and they kindly agreed to sponsor this video. So before I get into it, if you enjoy this video, smash the thumbs up. It literally costs you nothing, but it helps me out so much. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. 3D Capital is a Canadian-based venture capital firm focused on opportunistic investments in companies in the junior resources and disruptive technology sectors. This stock is traded on the OTCQX and is also available on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Now, this was recently brought to my attention by a subscriber who is very bullish on this stock, and when I started looking into the company, a few things caught my attention. First of all, 3D have several very interesting early stage companies in their portfolio. And this is the business model. 3D Capital provides investors with significant exposure to ground floor opportunities in small cap stocks in their very early stages and in disruptive industries such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, biotechnology, and junior resources. And the company explained this very well on their website by saying that 3D can provide exposure into equity in early or seed financing rounds, and this provides 3D with a low entry point and highly favorable risk-reward profile. Then there is the fact that IDKFF stock is trading at a massive discount to its NAV valuation. In just the past few days, 3D Capital announced a net asset value per share of 88 cents. This is a stock that is only 28 cents today. So this is trading at about 1/3 of its net asset value. Now, this is one of my favorite types of companies over the past few years. Of course, they are high risk, but of high reward, which is why it's always so important to do your due diligence. Now, a few things really stand out about 3D Capital and caught my attention about this company. 3D have investments into many companies such as the ones we can see here. But first, I want to talk about what I consider to be the most important thing. So the first thing I want to talk about is management. Management teams are always so important in these types of companies. When it comes to these types of microcap penny stocks that are trading on the OTC, it is so important to always do your research into who is running the companies. Too many times I've seen investors get caught up in the hype over some penny stock that they've seen shared a few times on Facebook or on Wall Street Bets or somewhere like that without doing any actual due diligence into the management teams running the companies. So I always consider this to be a priority, especially with OTC stocks. 3D Capital is led by CEO Sheldon Inwentash. As it says here, Sheldon has more than 30 years of successful small capital investing experience and an extensive track record of achieving significant ROI for his investors and profitability for the companies in which he invests. This is a CEO with a track record. His last venture capitalist company was Pinetree Capital. which Mr. Inwentash led from being a tiny penny stock up to $1 billion company in just 3 years. Everybody is always looking for the next penny stock that can double their money or maybe 3x their investment, but this guy generated a 15,000% return in just 3 years. That's a 150x return. While at Pinetree Capital, his accomplishments included investing in Queenston Mining, which was acquired for nearly $500 million, Aurelian Resources acquired by Kinross for over $1 billion, and Gold Eagle Mines acquired by Goldcrop for $1.5 billion. In 2007, he was also named as a finalist for the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. So as I said, his track record really caught my eye. So what companies have 3D invested in and what ones are going to send this stock parabolic over the next few years? Well, first of all, 3D Capital have investments in over 70 companies right now. And there is no way that I could cover all of these in this short video, but I will look at what I consider to be the most promising ones. TotaQ is a micropayments fintech company offering tap payments. Tap is a low-code software payment product that enables instant one-tap payments for content or services without the need for subscription signups or account logins. Tap Checkout enables any AI sales agent to close sales and provide digital content and services inside the chat experience that the customer can instantly tap and pay for. This was previously impossible due largely to the cost of digital payment processing. Historically, a 25-cent payment could easily cost 35 cents to process, rendering a segment of potential customers uneconomical to serve. But Tap micropayments are the first commercial solution to make this possible. Until now, this kind of instant checkout experience otherwise has only been available for the likes of Apple or Amazon or other tech giants. TotaQ serves healthcare and education, sports media and entertainment, as well as AI, API, and cloud service companies. Infinity AI is a data company that has evolved into a leader in AI-driven predictive analysis for industrial and smart city infrastructure applications. In 2023, Infinity AI secured their largest ever revenue contracts and have achieved a 95% customer renewal rate, so this is a growing company on an upward trend. Infinity AI has major customers such as AECOM, Core and Main, Kerwood Ladle, K2 Geospatial and CLS Services, amongst many others. Then we have Hypercycle. Their product enables AI machines to interact with other AI machines to securely partake in global brain of AI computation. Hypercycle is utilizing the most secure and efficient peer-to-peer technology available in the field of cryptography and collaborating with partners within several ecosystems including Toda and SingularityNet. But they are also working with major global Fortune 500 companies like Google, Microsoft, nvidia, and Intel, as well as decentralized networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum communities, with many other ecosystems on the horizon. Now you're probably getting an idea of the big picture here. 3D is not investing in random businesses. All of these companies are able to interconnect in a way to provide synergies that will create economies of scale and amplify revenues, including the next company, which is probably my favorite, and that is AIML. Now, this could really skyrocket 3D capital, which would also have an impact on the other companies in the 3D portfolio. AIML is an AI health tech company that is capitalizing on artificial intelligence and machine learning in the digital healthcare space. They are a digital health solutions provider utilizing a combination of digital health monitoring devices, AI-based software, and cloud computing, which combine to help caregivers, patients, and healthcare professionals access and utilize relevant health data. There is two sides to this company, HealthGauge and Health2Tech. They have a product for monitoring people's health that can penetrate a $245 billion global digital health monitoring market by partnering with leading channel partners and health benefit providers. AIML has had big news recently regarding FDA approval for its patented blood pressure measurement technology. After an intensive 3 years of R&D, HealthGauge proudly announced the successful training of their advanced blood pressure measurement neural network. The achievement marks a pivotal moment as the company will now seek FDA certification for software as a medical device. Follow Your Heart utilizes the company's proprietary Edge AI technology through the company's smart sensor watch, and this has the potential to have a massive effect on 3D's share price. More than 14% of the global population is affected with hypertension. The global market for blood pressure measurement is expected to grow at an annual rate of 6.5% and reach $1 billion by the end of 2031. 3D also have investments in other health tech companies such as Neurable, a wearable AI headset brand, TurnBio, an mRNA biotech company, as well as Avicanna and Uvan Research. So guys, what do you think of 3D Capital? This is a penny stock trading at about 1/3 of its fair asset value, and the drop in share price in the past week provides a huge opportunity at low risk. Considering the company has so many investments and led by a CEO with a proven track record, let me know what price you think IDKFF stock will reach by the end of 2024. Personally, I believe that 3D Capital could reach a multi-dollar share price before long, but this is just my opinion and not financial advice. There is a lot of talk building on social media about 3D stock right now, but always do your own due diligence. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, but if you enjoyed this analysis, then please like and subscribe. I hope you make a load of money on this stock. Follow me on Twitter and I'll catch you in the next video.